students, myself Jyoti IS, tutor of Saraswati Tuition Davangere. Welcome to my class, Maths with Jyoti Ma'am. It is the class for 9th standard students, CBSE, NCERT and also for the Karnataka state students. In that the second chapter, polynomials. The exercise 2.5. First main, use the suitable identities to find the following products. To find the products, we have to use the suitable identities, isn't it? We have discussed the identities, the basic identities in the previous class. We have to use those identities and so we have to find the products of these. We have to find the products. Okay. Now here the first one is given x plus 4 and x plus 10. You have to analyze which identity is suitable for this. Here first term x and x are same and y here y and here the second, here 4 is there and 10 is there. Therefore both are different. In this both are same. Here both are different. In that case we have to substitute x plus a into x plus a into x plus b, isn't it? Here both are same and here both are different, isn't it? Here the x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus a. Okay. Now substitute the value of x. X is equals to here. In this problem here x is equals to x only and a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 10. Okay. Now substituting values of x, a, b in this formula. Therefore x plus 4 into x plus 10 is equals to x square. X square, the value of x square is here is x only, x square plus value of x is x only and here a plus b, value of a is 4. You have to check here. Plus value of b is 10 and value and plus a b, a into b, a is 4 into b is 10. Okay, that is equals to x square plus 10 plus 4, 14, 14 into x, 14x plus 10 into 4 is 40. Okay, understood? Next, move on to the next problem. X plus 8, x minus 8. Here also the first two terms same and here both are different. Therefore apply the same identity. X plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Students should remember that. You should remember all the identities, isn't it? Therefore you should practice. For x is equals to, here x is equals to x only and a is equals to 8. B is equals to, look at the signs also. Here minus 10 is given. You have to substitute b is equals to, check for the sign, that is minus 10. Now substituting these values in here, that is equals to x plus 8 into x minus 10 is equals to x square. Value of x is same here also, x square plus x into a plus b, a is 8 minus 10, b is minus 10 plus a is 8 to minus 10. Okay, that is equals to x square. Here plus 8 minus 10 is there. We have to take the difference, that is 2 and the symbol of the greater number is minus. Therefore take minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Here 10 8s are 80 plus into minus 80. Understood? Here x square plus 8 minus 10, that is equals to minus 2 into x is minus 2x. 8 8 into minus 10 is minus 8. Let's move on to the next problem. Here 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. Here also this is also in the form of x plus a into x plus b, that is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Value of x is 3x, value of a is 4 and value of b is minus 5. Substituting these values, that is equals to 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5 is equals to x square. In the place of x, what is there? 3x is there. 3x whole square. Plus, in the place of x, we have to write 3x. A plus b is 4 minus 5. Plus ab is 4 into minus 5. Isn't it? Now, solving for this. 3x whole square, that means 3 square is 9, x square is x square. Therefore, 9x square plus here plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x. Here plus into minus minus, 5 4s are 20. Okay, we got the product here. Next problem. Here look at this, y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. It is in the form of, which form it is? Here this first term is same, second term is same and second term is same, isn't it? Both are same, but the sign is different. Here plus is there, minus is there. Therefore we can compare this identity, this equation to the identity x plus y into x plus y into x minus y. Therefore we can write it as x square minus y square, isn't it? Now value of x, write the value of x is equals to y square and value of y is 3 by 2. Value of y is 3 by 2. Now substituting these values in the formula, that is equals to y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2 is equals to x square minus y square. X square is y square. X square is y. X is equals to y square. X square means y square whole square. Minus y square is y is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. If we simplify this, what we got? 1 to the power of 4 minus 3 square is 9 by 4. Here we got the product. Okay, understood? Let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and press the subscribe button. Thank you.